Is JJ with you, babe?
He's like inside the bush.
Yeah. Ala si JJ, sige po kuha. Man, this is really good.
Thank you, sweetie.
Let go.
It's purple, Bubba.
Just the purple, bud.
Not that. Just you have to look.
Whoa.
I got a lot.
And this.
Don't smash them.
Mm. Get up, bud.
Let's go. No phone. No digital.
No, DJ.
He's laying down in the wet grass.
See this? But I'm so selective. The blueberries. I want the big ones. Sometimes it's like just underneath this. Ooh, shade, shade.
Yeah, honey. Some caterpillars will sting you.
Oh, that's a caterpillar.
I don't know. I didn't look. Oh, that's a fruit. I'm not sure. I just avoided my salt like a rocket. Man, we don't even need a mom every
Oh boy. Yes. I like really the blueberries like under. They're so like purple.
They're under Bazania.
Yeah. Imagine that. And they're also big.
I ate one that was overripe and it was so funny. Excuse me. Hello.
Ooh, this is nice for a smoothie.
Do you see anyone? You look that way and that way. Oh, there's a woman.
Huh?
Look. Black hat.
No, that's a scarecrow.
Oh, they're big. That's what I like.
This one's not popular in your place, babe, or they are?
They're not.
So you didn't know it well?
No,
Or you've had it before?
I don't had it
Oh, you
before.
never had it? So when you saw blueberry picking, you just thought it'd be something fun?
Yeah.
Better mood this time. Last time it was like, it's not so hot. It's hot, but it's not like 90.
If you go under, then you do, it's shady. Hi, JJ. He's bed. Ah.
Can we go swimming pool?
We are going swimming, so
Well, if you help us pick, then we can go pot. Yes, bud. See this? I'm really like after the very purpley. I want it purpley. Look at JJ. Oh, bud, you're so awesome.
I'm chilling in the shade.
Yeah, you can grab your brother too.
They're just staying out of the shade.
Yeah, they're all like, ooh, ooh, uh-oh, it's shady, uh-oh. Hey! Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh. Ooh, big ones.
I got like 33 from the same plant. 36, 37, 38,
Oh, this one here big. Yeah, when it's really hidden, it's really like dark purple. This is good. And it's like that. Ooh, bud. Yay! Come here. Ta-ta! We're done. We're not yet done. Oh, dagko lagi ni diri ma. Hey, look at this spider, look. Oh, they're big, they're big. They're big. Hey, I want the bucket. Ang ipang sipon mo sa mutog sipon sa init. Oh, go, go, go. Oh. Oh, let me have a shady now. Oh, JJ, we'll get this bud, okay? This one is kind of big in this area. Dagko lagi ni diri. Let's go. Oh. I expect that they're so ripe, but these are really just starting. A little shade is fun, and there's more of this here, and it's fun and all. Oh, oh, look at this. Mm. Yes. They're good. Yes. Some of these are just... Uy. Look at this one. Purple. Or just red. Mm-hmm. Init. So hot. I came here like noon. Imagine that. Oh, purple, purple. Purple, purple. Ooh. This one is so purpley. Look at this one, huh? Purple. Mm. Look at this one here. The berry. Ooh. It's, yeah. I think this year they did not really clean this area. Maybe they don't have any more like a lot of workers. There's a lot of weeds growing. Hello, beautiful girl.
Just flies attract to me.
Mm-hmm.